Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside settings so you can change switch control immediately. First, make sure your iPhone has enough battery and you know the iOS version. Some labels move slightly between updates. Next, navigate to accessibility and tap switch control. Once there, you'll see the master toggle. Turn it on to reveal the menus you need. This activates scanning and the switch list. Make sure you follow the next steps to add or configure a physical or screen switch. Now you add or edit switches so the device responds how you want. Tap Add New Switch, pick your source, screen, external, or camera-based head movement, and perform the trigger so the phone recognizes it. Then assign a clear action, like select or a custom gesture, because the mapping controls what your switch does in apps. Once assigned, refine scanning style and timing. Longer auto-scanning time makes selection easier, but too long slows navigation, so balance speed and accuracy. Finish by testing switch control across a few common tasks so you learn the rhythm. Use practice mode or open an app and try selecting, swiping, or activating the home action. You'll see why timing settings matter. If selections are missed or too slow, reduce pause time or increase hold duration, then retest. If things still fail, reboot the iPhone, check external switch batteries and Bluetooth pairing, and make sure iOS is current. These fixes resolve most connectivity and recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.